Hi guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily weekly analysis. Okay guys, last week we were buying gold and we hit our target. It was 3500. And those of you who have been following my daily analysis as well would probably know even after this we were still bullish. Even up till Friday we were still bullish. And on Friday we hit the bullish target that I mentioned on Wednesday as well. But on Friday I'm a day trader, I get out early. But the target I mentioned on Wednesday, that should be a target after breaking the previous highs. That was a target, and that target was hit, and that target acted as a resistance. So, anyways, guys, what are we going to do today for the next week? Let's keep it simple. Let's go back to the weekly chart, guys, because weekly analysis is always long, but we cover everything deeply and thoroughly. So, guys, clearly bullish trend and on gold, no doubt about that. Okay, guys. So on the daily chart, what we had a big, we broke out of the bullish trend line on the daily chart, but we just went back up to make another high. So let's go down. So what are we going to do next for the next week, guys? I will keep it very simple, and it is actually very simple. Trading is very simple. The aspects of trading that I find hard are risk management, your trading psychology, creating a definitive system is not that hard, or technical analysis is not that hard. The problem with most of the traders is that they just keep on trying to perfect their analysis. But instead, what they should be working on is discipline, trading psychology, and most of all, risk management. Anyways, guys, for this week, we are still bullish. So I would keep on buying as long as we are above 3510. It's very simple, guys. And these previous highs are my target, which we currently close the week at, are my first target. But as you know, gold has been wild. So we are going to use the Fibonacci, and sorry, not like this. I use it like this. No, 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 no. Let me get onto the 4H because I want the Fibonacci levels on a much shorter wave, so my targets could be nearer. But let's go to the 1H, and I am on the 1H, and I have a bullish impulse wave as well. So let's redraw this Fibonacci from here. Yeah. And my next target would be, guys, would be 3657. These are my two targets for the next week I have. Yes, guys, if we break below this, at the minimum, I expect a correction, which probably should happen. But as you guys know, but as you guys probably know, the problem with this is that in gold, we might not get a correction. And those guys who are hoping for corrections or looking for the so-called fair value gap, FVGs, imbalances, I don't care about those anyways. So those guys might get killed out because you have an FVG right here, which hasn't been filled, guys. Oh no. So what should we do? Oh no. So guys, sorry for keeping this long. So what I expect is just a simple pullback. I keep on buying this, guys. Of course, on Monday I wouldn't start buying from here. I would wait. Yes, if I had an entry, I would keep that, but I would see what happens on Monday. And if you break below 3510, I would start selling. And that would be just a correction in the overall bullish trend. I don't expect to be bearish because we've had consolidation, a lot of consolidation here, breakout to the upside, and a confirmed and a sustained breakout. So I expect that to continue. So, okay, if you want to sell, I would only sell if we break below 3510. Simple as that. So take care, guys. Hope you guys make money buying this and see you guys next week. And very sorry for the long analysis.